Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today. We are about to embark on a fascinating journey into the heart of Africa's savanna to explore a question that intrigues many: why don't lions attack tourists on safari vehicles? This question touches on aspects of animal behavior, human safety, and the delicate balance between wildlife and tourism. Let's delve into the factors that contribute to this remarkable phenomenon. To understand why lions do not pose a threat to safari vehicles, we first need to appreciate the nature of these majestic creatures. Lions, known as the king of the jungle, are apex predators with a complex social structure. They live in prides, which are familial units consisting of related females, their cubs, and a few resident males. The pride's social dynamics are central to understanding their interactions with humans and safari vehicles. Lions are predators driven by their need for food. However, their hunting behaviors are triggered by the sight, sound, and smell of their natural prey animals like zebras, antelopes, and buffaloes. Safari vehicles, on the other hand, do not resemble these prey animals in any way. To a lion, a safari vehicle is not a stimulus that triggers the predatory drive. Instead, it's just another element in their environment. One of the key reasons lions generally do not attack safari vehicles is habituation. Over time, lions have become accustomed to the presence of these vehicles in their habitat. Safari vehicles, moving slowly and maintaining a respectful distance, have become a normal part of the landscape for these animals. This habituation process means that lions no longer perceive these vehicles as a threat. Instead, they often regard them as neutral objects that do not warrant any particular attention. The regularity of vehicle sightings contributes to this familiarity, reducing the likelihood of any aggressive behavior. Safari guides play an essential role in ensuring the safety of both tourists and wildlife. These professionals are trained extensively in wildlife behavior and safety protocols. Their primary goal is to respect the natural behavior of animals while providing an exciting and safe experience for tourists. Guides instruct tourists on how to behave during wildlife sightings. It is crucial to remain inside the vehicle, avoid loud noises, and refrain from any actions that could disturb the animals. This guidance helps prevent any unintended interactions that could stress or agitate the lions. Moreover, safari vehicles are designed with safety in mind. They provide a secure environment for tourists, ensuring that everyone remains inside the vehicle and at a safe distance from wildlife. The design and operation of these vehicles are tailored to minimize the risk of any dangerous encounters. National parks and wildlife reserves are governed by strict regulations aimed at preserving the balance between human activities and wildlife. Safari operators are well versed in these regulations and ensure their tours comply with all safety and conservation guidelines. These regulations are not only about protecting tourists, but also about conserving wildlife and their natural habitats. By following these rules, safari operators contribute to a respectful and harmonious coexistence between humans and wildlife. Understanding lions' sensory perceptions helps clarify why they do not attack safari vehicles. Lions primarily rely on their sense of smell and hearing to detect potential threats or prey. The sounds and smells associated with safari vehicles are not recognized as threats or prey. Therefore, these sensory inputs do not provoke a defensive or predatory response. Additionally, lions communicate through a range of behaviors and vocalizations. These behaviors help them manage their interactions within the pride and with their environment. Observing these cues allows safari guides to gauge the mood and comfort level of the lions, ensuring that interactions remain safe and respectful. In conclusion, the safety of tourists on safari vehicles is a result of several intertwined factors. Lions have become accustomed to the presence of safari vehicles and do not view them as threats or prey. The role of safari guides and adherence to safety protocols further ensure a secure and respectful interaction between humans and wildlife. By understanding these dynamics, we can better appreciate the harmony between safari tourism and wildlife conservation. Thank you for your attention. We hope this exploration into the safety of safari experiences has provided you with valuable insights and a greater appreciation for the majestic lions and the intricate balance of their natural world.